My 21 Beta 300RR Race Edition. So I'm putting the fan unit on. I chose the Tusk unit, and that actually, you can see here, had to drill a hole in the Enduro Engineering radiator brace, no problem. Took it off and did that. This actually zip ties through your radiator, and the fan actually seals directly to the radiator with a gasket there. So it's a nice clean setup, and it'll push a lot of air. The temp sensor, you can see it there, and you'll notice I have a little wire tie around it. That just ensures that that thing will never vibrate out. I didn't reef the heck out of it. It's just snug in there. That now cannot come out at all. So little tip there. And of course, there's the thermal paste so we get a good connection there. So we're going to go with the Tusk on this build. Gives us lots of flexibility on temps they run. Price point is good. It's quality Panasonic fan. So I'm excited to try this, and I've already tested it with a tank, so it fits great. The new betas are way better designed for accessories like this. So that's that. You can see here. You might not even be able to see. Oh yeah, there they are. There's a little pieces there. So fit up well. All right, I've got the Tusk fan installed. Got all the wires tucked up. I decided to put the thermostat here. This way you can see it when you're on the bike and it's out of the way. Ran it up cleanly around. Down the bike here, and we have our fuse wired in. Just followed the factory wiring harness. So these are pretty easy to put in, and there's plenty of real estate here.